Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would be showing you how to change the shipping address on your Amazon account. So, if you are making a purchase but realize the delivery address needs to be updated, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, open up your Amazon app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, go ahead and sign into your Amazon account using your email and password. Once you have logged in into your account, tap onto the account and list setting. For example, I would be buying a UV lamp. I'll tap on buy now option. Then you will see an option popping up, add a new delivery address. Then click on to change shipping address and then you will be able to select a new address from your saved address, add a completely new one or add a completely new one. Just file in the new address detail and then click update or save address. And that's it. Changing your address on Amazon order is quick and easy as long as your order hasn't been shipped yet. Remember, if you can't change the address on your own, you can always contact Amazon customer support to help make the change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.